Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to turn off comments of Facebook post. If you are using Facebook and now you want to turn off comments on your post, so let's see how can you do this. First, you have to open your Facebook app, open it, and here go to your profile, just select it. And profile, you just have to look for post which comments you want to turn off. As I'm going to select this one, so just tap on three dots and here the option of who can comment on your post, and just select it. And here you can see you have a lot of options. You just have to select the fourth one, just select it, and here's the option is profiles and pages you mention. In this, the only profiles or the pages you mention in your post they can comments, and the other people will not be able to make comments. There is no any option to turn off comments, so you have to make your comments minimum to mention the minimum persons and then tap on done. And here you can see I have successfully minimum my comments on Facebook posts. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.